This video, I'm going to show you how you can get entire video scripts written for you in just seconds. I'm talking everything from YouTube videos and TikTok videos to even complete webinar scripts. I'm going through everything step by step, so you're not going to want to miss this one. Let's go. Hey, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and on this channel, I show you the best tools you can use to grow your business. When it comes to creating content, video is king. Video lets you engage with your audience and really build a human, meaningful connection like no other medium. The issue is it's also really hard to script video that keeps people watching and engaged. Well, that's exactly where Jasper AI can help. Jasper is an AI assistant that can write any type of script for you. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you how Jasper can actually script YouTube videos for you, TikTok videos for you, and even complete webinars. Everything is linked down below in the time code, so if you want to jump to a specific section, you can. Now let's hop over to my screen and I'll show you exactly how it works. But if you want to follow along with the video, click the link in the description to get a 7-day free trial of Jasper so that you can try exactly what I'm showing you while I'm doing it. So let's start out by showing you how you can script a YouTube video. I'm saying YouTube, but you could use the same process for LinkedIn or Facebook or really any other video platform or presentation type. So what you want to do is go to create new content and then go to blank document. Then what you want to do next is name the document. So you can go in here and just say example YouTube video. Now you want to add some context. This just helps Jasper understand what this is about. And you can say this is for a 10-minute YouTube video script, or this is a 10-minute YouTube video script. Let's just say that. So Jasper just knows a bit of a context. Now you can also add your brand voice. I have a lot of videos on the channel showing that, but basically you just go to brand voice, give Jasper a link to something you've written, and then it does your brand voice in a few seconds. Really takes like literally 10 seconds to do. I won't use my brand voice for this, but what brand voice lets you do is Jasper will write like you so that everything you do is on brand and it sounds like you, but we'll keep that out for now. Then what you want to do is you want to go to power mode here after you've given Jasper some context. So you go to power mode and then scroll all the way at the bottom, and let's get started here. You can actually choose a number of templates and ideas that are going to help you. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually get Jasper to generate the ideas for the content. So we don't even need to know what kind of video we're going to make. Like, let's say we're a dietitian and we kind of deal a lot with the keto diet, but we're not even sure what kind of video to make. So we can even start by letting Jasper give us the ideas. So let's go with video topic ideas. And then you could just type keto diet. Like, that's how little you could give Jasper. And you could put like the keyword you want to rank for. And again, you could do your voice. Let's leave it off. You can add a few more things, but you just hit generate. And then what Jasper is going to do, it's actually going to give you ideas for the keto diet. So you can see here, benefits of the keto diet, what to eat on keto, how to start, keto meal prepping tips, how to stick to the keto diet long term. That's a tricky one with keto because I've done it before. It can be tricky because you kind of get bored and you start craving carbs. So all you do then is copy that. Okay, so you copied that one. You can even just, if you'd like, you can just add it to the document, right? You can add it to the document here and then just delete this one. Okay, then what we want to do is we want to go back into power mode. Now that we got the title, now we want to write a hook and a script. Go video, script, and hook. You go like this, right? How to stick to a ketogenic diet long term. You guessed it, all you do is generate. So now we've got the idea. Now we need the hook and the introduction, because when it comes to video, having a strong hook is super important. So for the sake of time, I'll just pick this first one, and boom, it's already written a hook and an introduction for you. Hey, my name is this, and you can fill that in if you'd like. Then what you want to do is you see body content. So it's just going to keep writing for you, and which is crazy, right? And it'll just keep on writing. And so it'll just keep generating the script like that. Another way to do this, I'm just showing you different options, right? You could actually go back here and you could go back to video script outline, and you could say, remember what we pasted, how to stick to a keto diet long term, and then just hit generate. And then what it'll do is it'll actually generate the entire bullet points for your script. So now that you have this bullet point here, you want to get Jasper to expand on it. So you can just hit enter if you want, and you can go here and you can say to Jasper, expand on this point, and hit enter. And you can just copy it and you can paste it in there, right? And so you can continue doing that for each of these. And then likewise, You can tell it then to write an outro for your video or whatever you'd like. So that's just really quickly how easy it is to script it. And now if you want a catchy title, you can even go to video titles. And again, we know what is the video about? How to stay consistent on the ketogenic diet. And then you know, let's say you want to actually, you'll use this script and you say 10 tips. Let's say that's the title. Then you just hit generate and boom, there you go. It's just generated titles for you, right? So it said 2021 or whatever it is, but you'll see that exactly there. So that's how easy it is. You can get the idea for the video, then you can get the hook, you can get the title, you can get all the points of what to say. So it's literally just doing the script for you. So that's the first way that you can use Jasper here to script your entire videos. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a TikTok video. So going back to the Jasper dashboard, you want to go over to chat. Now let's create a new conversation right here. You can call it TikTok, doesn't really matter. With the chat function, you can actually just give Jasper instructions like you're talking to a friend. So you could just say something like this: write me a 1-minute script for a TikTok video talking about how to stick to the keto diet. Give the viewer 3 tips. The call to action should be to download my 10 easy keto recipes guide. I'm just making stuff up, but you see, I'm just typing to Jasper like it's a friend. You can also hit enhance prompt if you like, and Jasper will get a little bit more creative and give itself better instructions. Usually that helps. And then you just hit go. And so when that happens, it's just going to script the entire TikTok video for you. You can see it tells you what to say, tells you what the visuals are, it says you what to show. So that's how easy it is to script a TikTok video with Jasper. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to script a webinar. So we begin again by going to create new content and go to blank document. And now let's call this webinar example. Of course, you want to give Jasper some context that this is a 30-minute free webinar. Then you can use your brand voice if you like or not. I'm going to take it out. And then what you want to do is you can actually use chat within a document. So you can go here and you can create a new conversation. And so this conversation here, let's just tell Jasper what we want. So we would type in something like this: write me the outline for a 30-minute webinar teaching people how to start a Shopify store. At the end of the webinar, add a CTA that offers hands-on Shopify store setup by me for $4.99. So obviously when you're doing a webinar, it's a more deeper activity and you always want to have some sort of pitch in the end because that's why they're watching their webinar, right? It's like a scalable sales presentation, right? So that's the whole power of webinars. In the end, you indoctrinate them into whatever it is you're selling or whatever method it is that you want to promote, and you want to convince them that you're the person who can help them. And then if they are buying what you're kind of selling here, then they may take action. So that's why it's really important to have those pitches. And so all you would do is, again, type that. Again, look at that. That's like 2 sentences, not even. And just hit send and watch as Jasper literally scripts a 30-minute webinar for you. And so you can see it's writing it. Then all you got to do is move it over and boom, it's actually just scripted a 30-minute webinar for you. It tells you what to say, how much time to spend on it. And again, if you want, you can have Jasper, like I showed you earlier, you can go in here and you can tell Jasper to expand on this point like I showed you earlier with YouTube. And then for each of these points, Jasper can then help you more deeper, even write what to say for each of those points. For the sake of time, I won't go through it because of course we're writing a 30-minute webinar, it would take a very long time, but just use the same method I showed you with YouTube and you can actually get it to script and all of the even minute things to say for each of these points. So to recap, to get started with Jasper, just click the link in the description and you will get a 7-day free trial. And to create your scripts, you can either use the power mode and use a more structured approach where you choose the right template to generate ideas and then your content like that, or you can use the chat function and just tell Jasper a little bit more organically how to create the content. Jasper has been revolutionary for my business. I literally use it to write everything and even just rewrite things I've written just to make it a lot more professional. I mean, I've created everything from social posts to landing pages to emails to video scripts, ads, you name it. In fact, There's a way you can get Jasper to write this entire collection of things for you with just one prompt. Say you're launching a new product or service and you have to create the gamut, right? You got to create the emails, the landing page, the social, the everything. Well, Jasper can actually create all of it for you contextually from one prompt. And so if you want to learn how to do that, grab my free guide that shows you exactly how to do this step by step. And if you want more Jasper tutorials, check out the channel, as I have an entire series showing you how to leverage AI to get more done in your business. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, give me a like as it really helps the video out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.